So we're actually in the hardware big box store, and we're trying to get all of this stuff for the dog ranch because we have a lot of projects, a lot of improvements for the dogs, and of course the overall experience of the pet parents. So if you see some changes in the dog ranch, because we're putting a lot of work trying to make it pretty, beautiful, convenient, and just a really nice place to be. Nahihirapan ako huminga.
Sana pwede. Lower, lower. Tataas, bababa. Baba. Pero lahat pataas eh.
More! More!
Libre ba yan? Pom, Miss, libre ba yan?
Yes po.
Pahinga, makabawi man lang ako.